How to unstake Solana on Coinbase. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to unstake Solana on Coinbase. In order to do this procedure, first go ahead and open up a browser, type in coinbase.com and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which will look something like this. Now, while you're on this page, you could either go to treat my asset or earn. Now, I'm going to go with the earn section. After which you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit and locate Solana. Now click the Solana tools and then you could go ahead and scroll down a bit. So here you could see that in order to stake a crypto asset such as this are located on the relevant blockchain protocol in order to secure the network and reward as well. So by electing the stake you asset, your risk potential loss if the network penalizes your valid for. So here you could go ahead and read about this in detail. So likewise, in order to stake Solana on Coinbase, you could go to the asset, you could go ahead and select unstake and choose continue unstake if applicable. In my case, the interface is very different. Now, then you have to go ahead and enter the amount that you want to unstake, then select previous unstake. After which you want to select unstake now, and this way you'll have successfully unstaked Solana on Coinbase. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.